Get ready, ladies, it is flash sale time. Flash sales are on-the-fly videos, 3 minutes or less, bringing you the hottest must-have items that just went on sale. Translation, grab your size before it's gone. Today, Banana Republic Factory summer must-haves at unbelievable prices, plus an additional 25% at checkout. Time is money, so let's go. A fresh summer must-have, a poplin dress. My sister-in-law bought this, so I've actually seen it in person. It is just as nice as it looks in the image. Pointed collar sleeveless shirt dress, a hidden button placket, on-seam front pockets, we love pockets, a wraparound self-tying belt, 100% cotton, machine wash. Style this casually with a flat sandal or bump it up with a heel. Super versatile and a perfect summer basic. Light and breathable, the linen blend midi dress. Sleeveless, square neckline, great for all of us busty ladies. Dart detailing, button up with a fabric belt for waist emphasis. This is great for casual summer evenings, a bumped up brunch, and times when you need to be a little more conservative and ladylike, but you still want to look chic and stylish. Personal favorite alert, this is a white voile shirt dress. This is your summer go-to for easy, relaxed chic. 100% breezy cotton, semi-fitted, drop shoulder for a relaxed feel, inseam front pockets, a removable fabric belt giving you the choice to wear the dress loose or belted. Chic everyday linen short, an absolute must. 5-inch inseam, this is a high waist. Pull-on style with a flat front and an elasticized back. Front pockets for that extra relaxed look and feel. Wear this with the relaxed button down, a lightweight knit, a rib tank, or a simple t-shirt. I love this look for summer. This is their Twill wide leg. Relaxed fit, wide leg pant, high waist, pleated, front and back pockets, button closure. Dress it up or down with flats or a heel. Choose a button down, a lightweight knit, a tank, or a t-shirt. This is Banana Republic's best-selling pant. Wide leg, satin pleated. This comes in regular and in petites. It's a full length, a single inverted pleat, front pockets. It's designed slightly longer to make it completely apropos for a pair of heels. Silky, luxurious feel, and best of all, it is machine wash. A poplin midi skirt, I had to include this skirt because it's so cute. Pleated front, side pockets, a flat waistband with an invisible side zipper. So pretty, I would wear this with a heel and a fitted top like this classic muscle tee. Get your trigger finger ready. Links for everything are in the description box and pinned to comments. Happy shopping, take care, and I'll see y'all soon.